Hey Dolly friend, this is Kat from the Dolly Insider. Let's sew a spooktacular outfit from Nendoroid Doll Book of Adorable Seasonal Outfits. The look we're going to sew is called Jack-o'-lantern. First up is the shirt. Cut out and mark all pieces. You'll have 2 pieces total. Fold the 4 edges. Sew the 4 edges. Grab your interfacing. Place the interfacing on the right side of the shirt with the glue side of the interfacing turned up. Pin the interfacing in place. Sew around the neck opening. Cut out the center of the neck opening. Try not to cut the stitches. Pull the interfacing through the opening to the wrong side of the shirt. Iron the interfacing down. This is what it looks like from the front. Fold the shirt right sides together and pin. Sew the sleeves and side seams. Once it's sewn, it's time to flip the shirt right side out. It's done, but something's not right. The first time I made the shirt, I placed the arrows parallel to the selvage, and that gave me a shirt that was too small and without stretch. The second time I made the shirt, I placed the arrow perpendicular to the selvage, and that gave me a shirt with stretch. This project is beginner friendly. If you prefer a text version of the steps in this video, download the PDF in the description below. I hope you decide to make this project for your doll. If you do, be sure to tag us at the Dolly Insider on Instagram so that we can see your look. You can also email us. See the description below for details. Okay, that wraps it up. I'll see you again for another spooktacular sewing adventure. Happy sewing!